Hi guys, this is Abhishek. We are going to discuss about gender. What is gender? Noun that distinguishes between male and female is called gender. There are three genders properly so called, like masculine, feminine and neuter. The distinction of male and female in nature is called sex. The distinction between masculine and feminine in words is called gender. Now if you take the masculine gender, a noun that denotes a male animal is said to be a masculine gender. Like example, boy, drake, drone, brother. Feminine gender, a noun that denotes a female animal is said to be a feminine gender. Like for example, girl, duck, bee, sister. Neuter gender, a noun that denotes a female animal is said to be a feminine gender. Neuter means neither male nor female. Example, book, pen, room, tree. Objects without life are often personified, that is spoken as if they were living beings. We then regard them as males or females. The masculine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for strength and violence. Like for example, the summer, sun, winter, time, death. The feminine gender is sometimes applied to objects remarkable for beauty, gentleness and gracefulness. Example, the moon, the earth, spring, autumn, nature, liberty. Now let's consider how we use masculine and female for people. Actor, actress, author, authoress, bachelor, spinster. Like this, there are so many examples for people. If you take next, we can move on to creatures. Like if you take masculine and feminine, billy goat, nanny goat, boar, so these are the examples for creatures, how we compare masculine and feminine. Ways of forming the feminine of nouns. There are three ways of forming the feminine of nouns by using an entirely different words as like for masculine and feminine, masculine bachelor, but for feminine maid or spinster, boy, girl, brother, sister, buck, doe, and by adding a syllable, that is ess, ine, trix, a and so on. For masculine and feminine, we compare author, authoress, baron, baroness, count, countess, giant, giantess. Now the most important thing which people have to note is that ess is added after dropping the vowel of the masculine ending. For example, masculine and feminine, actor, actress, ess is dropped, benefactor, benefactress, conductor, conductor. So these are the examples. Now we also have to note one important thing. The suffix ess is the commonest suffix used to form feminine nouns from the masculine and is the only one which we now use in forming a new feminine noun. Like for example, hero, heroine, like sultan, sultana, and fox, vixen. By placing a word before or after as grandfather, grandmother, and landlord, landlady, peacock, peahen. So these are the different words which people can understand and compare and understand gender very easily. Hope this topic was useful. Thank you guys.